I was dealing with cystic acne since a year. I have invested in so many creams and so many face washes, and nothing worked for me. Came to know about your program through Instagram. I opted for this 7-day detox program, which has done wonders to my skin. And I would suggest everyone just go for it. No second view, no second thoughts, just go for it. After joining the program, the results, they were so amazing. My skin is so smooth, it's so supple. I have never seen such amazing result before, never. The pores have minimized. It was really convenient as everything I could find in my kitchen. It was all homemade remedies. Thank you so much. The program has helped me a lot.